Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to post a new video, and I'm going to show you how to find good hashtags for it.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
So let's get started. So I'm going to post a new video. Before I post the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Discover. On the bottom, you see there's a Discover tab, and I'm actually going to go and try to discover hashtags. So let's say I'm going to try to do music. I'm going to discover hashtags. You see you can scroll that to the to the right, and you can browse very popular music videos and see what hashtags they're using. For example, you see the guy on top right here, he is using the hashtag for you page. We're going to use that. We're going to use the hashtag viral. We're going to try that. We're going to try to use other hashtags like K-pop. Obviously, I'm not making music like K-pop, so I'm not going to use that, but you can actually get ideas for these hashtags, and you can spend a long time browsing hashtags. I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to let you do that on your own. What I am going to do is I'm going to go on the top. There's an option for hashtags, and I'm going to click that hashtags, and I click that hashtag, and then I'm going to scroll all the hashtags. There's so many. And look on the right side. I'm going to experiment with finding relevant hashtags for me that don't have too much competition. So for example, I'm only going to stick with things that have in the millions of views, right? So the first one, music, has 11.8 billion views. Okay, too competitive. It would be great to rank there, yeah, but maybe too competitive for me for now. Then I'm going to scroll and I'm going to see, okay, what is this Musica? I'm not going to do that because I don't know what that is really. Musically, not going to do that. Then I'm just going to scroll. Maybe Music Life is an interesting one. It's relatively small. Maybe Music Lover, you see here. Then I'm going to go maybe Tick Music. And then really I want to find hashtags that are relevant for me, for the kind of music that I make. But I don't think my music is sad music, but I see this hashtag sad music. I'm going to do that. And as I'm scrolling, I'm actually writing down some of these. Maybe I'll do hashtag trending music. Maybe I'll do feel music. Maybe Music Life. Maybe music cover. And then let's keep looking. I'm really hoping to find something like for classical music, classical guitar. I'm not doing classical music, but I'm doing classical guitar. I don't know what is this humble music, but let's try that. And really, you see, I'm going for relevant things, but also on the right side, you see humble music has relatively few views. I mean, 16 million might seem like a lot, but when you compare them to 2 billions, it's not as much. Then I'm just gonna keep going for a little more. Just because I'm recording this video, I'm not gonna keep going too long, but really I'm trying to also find things that are really relevant for the kind of music that I have. So I took some time on my own and I kept going down, and found a ton of hashtags, really more hashtags than I can fit, because remember, I can only upload a caption with 100 characters. So let's get out of this, and we're going to go and we're going to maybe create a new post. Now, okay, in this video, I also want to address when are the good times to create a post. Usually it's when people are up in the afternoon. Like if I'm on US Eastern time, that means if I post in the afternoon, like noon, then people on the West Coast, it's 9 a.m. for them. They're awake, at least hopefully. And people in Europe, they're awake, it's evening for them. And I might even catch people far east for me, and for them it's nighttime. So the whole world is available. Now, in this case, I'm filming this early morning, so I'm kind of not filming in an ideal time, but I just want to show the use of these hashtags. In your case, when you're posting, you want to post at a time when you think most people who will be in your audience are awake, and it's around afternoon time for them or early evening. So I'm going to press the plus. I'm going to upload the video.
Along the Smolensk
Then I'm going to go
road,
next.
there are woods and along the Smolensk road,
Then
there
I'm not
are
applying any stickers or effects to this, so I'm going to go next.
Uh,
Now this is going to be my hashtag time. So here are a bunch of hashtags that I put together. And of course I edited out me typing these hashtags because I didn't want you to sit through that, but I just want to go over it with you. So I have for you. I might actually add the word for, the letter for you. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to put 4. I think I'm over the limit, so then I'm going to have to figure out how many to take out. So there, by one character, oh my God, by one character, I can't fit the hashtag for you, but you know what? Maybe it's okay. I can live without it, sadly. Okay, so anyway, I reached my limit of 100 characters. I'm at like 97 characters or something. So you see I have For You, viral, and then I have music related things, right? Old music, music live, trending music, Russian music. This is a Russian music cover that I translated into English that I'm uploading. So I think that it might end. I sing this song in both languages. I don't know how far I'll get on TikTok because TikTok only takes 60 seconds of the first 60 seconds. So I may be just in one language there. But anyway, so that's why I have the Russian music, because it's a Russian music cover. And then musician, tick music, music lover, sad music, rock music, and music cover. So those are all the hashtags. Now let's look down. Who can view this video? Make sure it's public. Of course, if it's private, you're not gonna get that sharing. Allow comments, yes. Duet and react. That's for people to make videos on top of your video. Now, I'm not there yet, but, and then save to album. Okay, whatever, we don't need that. And then you can share posts to other places like Instagram. At the moment, we're not going to do that. So we're just gonna go post, and hopefully this gets a little bit of action, and we'll see maybe in the next 24 hours what happened through those hashtags. So I'm just gonna go post. Then you see I have my third video posted. You see on the middle video and on the video to the right, there are some views. You see right on the bottom of those videos, there's a little number there, like 68 and 33. That means those are the views. And see, right now, this new song on the left, there's 0 views. So actually, let's go to that song. And you know what? You can do something like your video, which is gonna give you, and then I'm gonna comment like, thanks for watching.
There are milestone posts and posts,
And what that does
and along
is
the small and scroll, they're shining like your eyes. Two cold evening
this
stars
actually, see, it gives me better
looking
statistics,
down
not only
at
on my
me.
profile, but also on this
And
song.
along the
So
small
when people
and scroll,
come
they're
and watch this song, they
shining
think, oh, this song is already getting some plays, and some people are liking it, even though it's just me liking it. So just to recap, we just uploaded a new song, and we found a bunch of interesting hashtags, and we used the hashtags. So in 24 hours, we'll check back to see if we're getting followers on this, or just to see what activity we are getting on this.